Kenya, and all that we have will be there to support you, to encourage you, to pray for you as you defend our nation, as you secure our borders, and as you ensure that our development goes forward. Your assignment and mandate is critical to the progress and the prosperity of our nation. I am working with the commanders to make sure that we make every facility, equipment, and support available so that you can discharge your duties of securing our nation for the benefit of each and every Kenyan. Again, when I signed your letters of appointment, personally, it is because of the immense responsibility on your shoulders as commanders and as people who are going to lead the defense, the security, and the stability of our nation. Congratulations, and I am very confident that you are going to make our nation proud, and I look forward to working with you.